Hi, I'm Tim Caperta, and this is all about choices in Markov models. There are choices around us everywhere, whether to choose Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts, or Pepsi or Coca-Cola. These choices are what decide our everyday lives, and these choices are tracked by companies through our purchasing habits so that they may give more targeted and exact advertisements. From there comes the question of how likely would someone buy a specific brand of drink. This we can show through our Markov chains, made by this guy. Um, Andrei Markov. Markov chains are diagrams that show a transition from one chain to another given that there is a set starting spot. So consider an example that someone is buying Coca-Cola or cola from a grocery store. If they bought Coca-Cola last, then the probability that they will buy Coca-Cola again is 70%. However, the probability that they will instead change to Pepsi is 30%. But if the customer last bought Pepsi, then the likeliness that they will stay with Pepsi is 60%, and the likeliness that they'll switch to Coca-Cola is 40%. So, with Markov chains, we can model this like so, with Coca-Cola representing the A circle and Pepsi representing the B circle. And so here's our matrix for that. Shows it very clear and concise. First is where the likeliness it'll go to A, and the second are the likeliness it'll go to B. So you can see how the thicker lines show greater probabilities, and thinner lines show lesser probabilities. All right. So back to this. So so here we can see how dependent probability nodes seem to level out with their probability. Markov chains like this, but to a much larger scale, we can even see the production of fake news, like from OpenAI's GPT-2 neural network, which is a way more advanced Markov chain that may be hundreds of orders deep, if not thousands, compared to this first-order Markov chain. And so this is a headline that researchers wrote to test the GPT-2. And this is what the computer came up with. So you can pause the video right now to read it, but if you want to read more, you can go on http://fortune.com. And techcrunch.com to look at some articles on the OpenAI text generator, and you can go to the OpenAI blog about better language models, which you can find this exact story that the AI made up and more. Thanks for watching.